Hi, and welcome to Rainbow Unicorn Cat 1 channel. The newest Disney dolls just dropped on American Girl website, and I can't tell you how overwhelmed I am. It's just everything that I ever wanted in this collab, and the prices are so affordable. Well, I mean, they are still expensive because it's American Girl, but I mean, I'm just blown away. I can't contain myself, and I'm going to American Girl store today to buy them. Let's start with the first one, Ariel. So these dolls are not limited edition, they're regular release, and they retail at $125. So it's only $10 more than a regular doll, regular American Girl doll. But look at the level of detail, look at the outfits. I'm so willing to pay $10 extra, which is probably the licensing fee. But in this case, you also get in a better outfit, in my opinion. Oh my gosh, I just love this Ariel. So she has Nanea face mold and aqua eyes. First of all, Nanea face mold is my personal favorite, so I have to purchase her, even if for myself, but Kat likes her a lot too. I think it's her favorite mold as well. So the necklace is metal according to the website. And let's take a look at all the details. So pretty. So this is supposed to be her tail. The shoes are also super detailed, and I know that they're similar in shape to Belle's shoes, Belle, the limited edition doll that was released last year, but they're still different. So this is the entire thing. She even got new underwear. The aqua eyes, I'm a little bit curious what kind of eyes they are. They might be the same color as the limited edition Rapunzel had, or Marie Grace, because those were the same color. But it might be a new color. I don't know. I mean, she's just gorgeous. Look at her. I couldn't have wished for a better Ariel. There are 2 extra outfits for each character, which can be purchased separately. And I'm really happy about this, so you don't have to buy the whole doll to get the outfits. This outfit is called Princess Ariel Castle Ball Gown. It's her pink dress that she wore at the castle. It comes as a little Sebastian. So pretty. Look how beautiful she looks. Look at all the details. I can't believe this is $55. Actually, this is a really, really good price for it. I can't wait to get my hands on it, literally. So this is a hairpin. It most likely is metal because American Girl had very similar ones. Look at the printed design on her dress. So, so pretty. Wow. I'm absolutely blown away. I'm not gonna lie to you. I did not expect this release to be so beautiful at regular prices and like not limited edition doll prices. I'm really happy that Sebastian is included and Flounder is included in a different set. This is the box. I mean, look how pretty. I'm so happy about this release. So happy. And look at this beautiful shot of her. Let me know in the comments if Ariel was your favorite Disney princess growing up. I really liked her. As I got older and more mature, I realized that I relate more to King Triton, and Ariel was a little bit unreasonable, but she was in her teenage stage, so it's all understandable. So this outfit is called Ariel's Day Dress, and this is actually my most favorite outfit from The Little Mermaid. I think it's just a gorgeous dress. It comes with this beautiful, beautiful bow. It's made out of this organza fabric. And look at the embroidery. I'm actually shocked that this outfit has actual embroidery. There's some on the top part and on the skirt. So pretty. And look at the shoes, made out of faux leather, and the bows are matching the bow that Ariel wears in her hair. This outfit also comes with a plush flounder, and here's a box. So pretty. I mean, I know $55 is not cheap, but I feel like especially with this outfit, it's so worth it. So worth it for me. And the next doll we're going to take a look at is Princess Tiana from Princess and the Frog. And I'm just so excited that they used Claudie face mold. This is the first doll that's not Claudie that American Girl used this face mold on. Look how gorgeous the dress is. And just look at that face. Her eyes are light brown. I believe these might be Tenny's eyes, and I'm so happy they did that. She's just so unique. She definitely looks a lot like Claudie, but also unique enough. Look at all the details, the flower, the shoes. These are faux leather shoes. They could have easily just covered it up with glitter, and they didn't, and I'm so happy about it. Different underwear, gloves, necklace. It's just, everything's perfect about this doll. We are going to American Girl Place NYC today, and we definitely get in Tiana and Ariel and possibly Cinderella. I'll see what she looks like in real life, but I mean, how can you not love this face? This is just such a gorgeous doll. American Girl did an amazing job on her. I'm absolutely blown away with this whole collection. So here are 2 extra outfits for Tiana that can be purchased separately, also for $55, just like with Ariel. This outfit is called Evening Star Dress, and I kind of wish that it came with a miniature frog, because if you remember the scene, you know, that's where she was supposed to kiss a frog. But they didn't do it. Anyway, she's still, this is still a very, very pretty outfit. It comes with a tiara, a necklace. The dress looks detailed enough. Here's the fabrics that they used. They just really good quality fabrics, at least judging from the promo pictures. The shoes are embroidered. Wow. This is a menu for the restaurant that Tiana was dreaming of opening, and it did come true. So here's a box with everything. I'm just so in love with this entire collection, and the promo pictures are beautiful and the prices are reasonable. This is Princess Tiana work dress and accessories, and look at the quality of the fabric for the jacket. I bet this jacket is lined. This is very 1920s style, so if you'd like to use this outfit for Claudie, maybe not all of it together, but just, you know, mix and match with other Claudie's pieces. This would be great because Claudie sadly doesn't have a lot of outfits. But just look at this hat and the jacket and the dress. I really like the fabric on the collar. There's embroidery on the pocket, and there's a cute little button on the cuff. And look at the shoes, so detailed. I'm just overexcited right now. I can't wait to go to the store to get all of it. So here are the beignets, the French style donuts. And here's the box with everything. And I mean, how can you not love this collection? It looks like they just brought back the quality. I'm really hoping everything is just as good as it looks. And the third doll is Cinderella, just as I was told in a private message previously. American Girl decided to use a Josefina mold on her, which is a good choice. It's very neutral and very, very popular. And I'm not the biggest fan of Cinderella. Even growing up, she was not my favorite. But I think she's just such a gorgeous doll. I was fully expecting to get a classic mold. I think Josefina mold works pretty well. Look at the printed design on her dress. I can't believe that American Girl was able to afford to do this collab just for $10 more than the price of a regular doll, and they would also have to pay Disney. The price-quality ratio is definitely a step in the right direction for American Girl here. In my personal opinion, this is a good value for the price. And I predict this collab to be very, very popular. I'm guessing this collection is here to stay, and they'll be available for purchase for a while, just like Harry Potter. And American Girl is going to make a lot of money. Beautiful dolls, beautiful collection. Here are 2 extra outfits that come with Cinderella. So the first one is Cinderella's original ball gown. Remember, that's the one that she was making. This is the dress that the evil stepsisters destroyed. And of course, it's not quite as iconic as her signature blue ball gown, which actually was silver in the original movie and then was kind of recolored. But I still love this pink dress. I'm a huge Disney fan, in case some of you didn't know. I do collect Disney dolls, limited edition dolls, animators, even 11-inch dolls. And I just absolutely love this collab. So beautiful. I love everything about it. I can't wait to get my hands on it. Everything looks so good. Everything looks great quality. I don't know if it's just the pictures or American Girl was able to create such beautiful items at reasonably affordable prices. I'm just in love with every single item in this collab. We are heading to American Girl Place NYC later today, and I will absolutely update you. I'll post unboxing videos. We'll post a video with a store release like we always do. So stay tuned. There'll be probably at least one new video posted later today. I'm going to say around 3 to 5 p.m. As I already said probably a million times in this video, I'm absolutely blown away by this release. Let me know in the comments your thoughts on it. What do you think about the prices, the quality? Are you planning to purchase any of these items, dolls, outfits? I'm just in love with everything. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please press the like button. And if you enjoy all American Girl related content but not yet subscribed to our channel, you should definitely do so. And if you turn on the notification bell, YouTube will always let you know when we upload a new video. We post all the latest American Girl news, crafts, and unboxing. We post every Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, but sometimes we post on other days as well. Thanks for watching and see you next time.